First, easy installation. 3D PU Moroccan-peel and stick backsplash wall tiles offer a self-adhesive design, which allows users to install them quickly and easily, saving installation time and cost. Second, cost-effectiveness. Compared with traditional tiles, this backsticking tile is less expensive and also reduces the cost of professional installation. Third, diverse styles. A variety of Moroccan-style patterns and colors are available to meet personalized decoration needs. Fourth, easy maintenance. The surface of this wall tile is easy to clean, and oil stains and stains can be removed by wiping with a damp cloth, while traditional tile gaps may accumulate dirt. Fifth, flexibility and removability. If you need to change the design or move in the future, 3D PU Moroccan-peel and stick backsplash wall tiles can be easily removed without damaging the wall. Follow me to get a free sample.